Hello friends, today we will discuss another problem related to concurrent force system. The problem appeared in regular semester examination summer 2022 of DBATU examination. Question number 1b. Here is the problem. A system of forces such as 1 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton, 3 kilonewton, 4 kilonewton, 5 kilonewton and 6 kilonewton acting along the sides of regular hexagon respectively taken in order. Find the resultant of all the system of forces, and the diagram is given. I have just marked it with pen as the printout was light. The problem is for 6 marks. Now here you have to understand first the properties of the hexagon. Dear students, let us understand and let us solve this problem. I am here to help you. So hexagon is given. So you know the properties of hexagon. So what are the properties of hexagon? They are: number 1, it has 6 equal sides. The first property, right? It is already given in the diagram also. So it has 6 sides and they are equal. The second property is the sum of interior angles is equals to say 120 degree. You must know this because here they have not given the angles of any of the forces. Only they said it is a regular hexagon, okay, and the forces are acting along the sides. It means we have to consider the force respectively, and it is mentioned in the problem that it is taken in order. So that's what we have to understand the properties first. Third property, just to recall, is the interior angle is of 120 degree. Hence the exterior angle is equals to 60 degree. It means if you draw a hexagon here, just to understand, because this is very important, here you must know the properties first, then you can solve a problem. Right? So this is a hexagon, okay, and if you see the angles, the interior angle is 120 degree. So if you add all 6 angles, right, so sum will become 720 degree. And if you see, this is the exterior angle with respect to horizontal, the angle is 60 degree. I hope it is clear, okay, and the problem is very simple, okay. So here we go. I am showing the first force as 1 kilonewton. I am starting with the horizontal. Now question will be, sir, how to start, how to go with the second force? It is very easy. You can go clockwise or you can go anti-clockwise. The answer is going to be same. There is nothing wrong, because here it is mentioned that you have to take the forces in order. So I am going in anti-clockwise fashion. You can try it with clockwise fashion also, like this. I am going in anti-clockwise fashion. 2 kilonewton. Then the third force is 3, fourth is 4, fifth is 3, 5 and sixth is 6 kilonewton. So I am showing the forces in same direction. 4 kilonewton, 5 kilonewton and 6 kilonewton. I hope you understood the problem, because understanding of the problem is very important here. The problem is very simple, okay, and there is compulsory one problem on concurrent force system. So don't skip this part. Only understanding is very important. Solution is very simple. So now what we will do, as usual, we will convert this problem into concurrent force system. Again, I am going to start with the first force, that is 1 kilonewton. As it is horizontal, I am just replacing it on the system. So 1 kilonewton. Then second force is 2 kilonewton, which is 60 degree with horizontal. So show this on system, that is 2 kilonewton, 60 degree. The third force, now you can see here the angle, if you draw like this with horizontal, this will become, this interior angle with horizontal will become 60 degree, okay, with horizontal, right? So I can show 3 kilonewton with respect to horizontal this side 60 degree. Then next force is horizontal 4 kilonewton. Next force is 5 kilonewton. Again angle with respect to horizontal, exterior angle is 60 degree, okay, interior angle is 120 degree, right? So with horizontal opposite angle, if this is 60, this is 60, so I can show this angle, this force 60 degree with horizontal. Here you can see, right? I hope it is clear. 5 kilonewton. And the last force is 6 kilonewton, and it is with respect to horizontal 60. So I can show here with respect to horizontal 60 degree, and this is 6 kilonewton. So this is how we got a concurrent force system, right? Now let us resolve the forces with usual procedure. So I follow a table system for easy understanding and to avoid any error. So just have a table. The first column is of force, second and third column will be of components. So have it here, you can have your own. So the first column is force, x component, y component. So little bit fast. So I will go with the first kilonewton, first force with 1 kilonewton, then second kilonewton, then 3 kilonewton, then 4, then 5, then 6. So likely we have 6 forces, right? So here we have total so it will be easy. So I can have summation here in this row. So just have a component now one by one, right? You can go by simply writing equation. You can have your own method of writing and solving the problem. So the first force is horizontal. So x component is 1 and that is plus, y component is 0. So I am making it dash. The second force, that is 2 kilonewton. If you have component with 60 degree, so this is cos, right, and this is sine, vertically sine. So and it is plus plus, you know the sign convention now. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, plus minus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. Like this we have 4 quadrants. Okay, and the component and the force lying in the quadrant, we give the sign convention likely. So the 2 kilonewton force have it is in first quadrant, so it is both the components are plus plus, so I am writing plus 2 cos 60. Simply solve on calculator, you will get 1 kilonewton, so it is plus 1. Then y component is plus 2 sine 60, right, and it is coming 1.73. you can solve on calculator and you can check. Then coming to the next force, that is 3 kilonewton, which is horizontal, having 60 degree angle. All the angles are 60 degree, so there is no confusion. Horizontal component is 6 cos component and vertical is sine. Now sign convention of quadrant 2, that is minus. So minus, so here you have to be very careful, right? So minus 3 cos 60 and vertical is plus, it is 3 sine 60. So minus 3 cos 60 is coming minus 1.5 and 3 sine 60 is coming 2.60. You can check. Then next force is horizontal force, that is 4 kilonewton. So it is horizontal force, it is in on horizontal axis, so it is minus 4, simply write minus 4, and y component is absent, so dash. Then next force, that is 5 kilonewton, which is with horizontal it is 60 degree. So with horizontal I will take cos component, so it is minus 5 cos 60. Okay, and then as it is in third quadrant, both the components are minus sine 60, right? So minus 5 cos 60 is minus 2.5, minus 5 sine 60, it is minus 4.33. Then last force, that is 6 kilonewton, it is in fourth quadrant, so x is plus, y is minus. So it is plus 6 cos 60 and that is coming to be 3 kilonewton, minus 6 sine 60 vertical component, and that is minus 5.19. You can solve on calculator, right? And this is how we will get summation of fx equals to minus 3 kilonewton and summation of fy equals to minus 5.19 kilonewton, right? So here we can find the resultant now. Resultant of force system, you know the formula, it is under root of summation of fx square plus summation of fy square. Just substituting the values as it is and solving on calculator, you can have like this. So in bracket minus 3 square plus in bracket minus 5.19 square equals to root answer equals to, so it is coming 5.99. okay, so I will simply take 6 kilonewton. okay, So this is our first answer which is expected, right? Now we will find the direction of this resultant force and then we will show in the coordinate system. So direction of R, that is resultant force, tan theta equals to absolute of summation of Fy upon summation of Fx. So simply put the values, it is 5.19 divided by 3, as it is absolute, no need to write a sign. So it is coming to be, just check on calculator, 5.19 divided by 3, it is coming 1.73. Hence theta equals to tan inverse of 1.73, which is equals to 60 degree. You can see shift tan inverse 1.73, that is 59.97. you can see here. So I have taken a round value 60 degree. Now the only task is we have to show the resultant force, and you know the sign convention of summation of Fx is minus and sign convention of summation of Fy is also minus. So the resultant force lies in quadrant number 3. So you can show here a quadrant system. This is the last step. Don't skip this. Always show the position of resultant force, and it is in third quadrant. And the resultant force is 6 kilonewton and the angle with respect to horizontal is 60 degree. This is minus, right? So this is the final answer. I hope you understood the problem, right? Thank you.